Are you having problems that your Smiths app that is not working for you and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had a lot of problems with this before, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it. So the first thing I did was that I closed the Smiths app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general, as you can see. Then I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage right here. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all of the apps down here, as you can see. So we're just going to wait, and now when it's done, just swipe up, click on search right here, search for Smiths right here and click on the app. Now click on offload app, and once again click on offload app down below here, as you can see. Now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the reinstall app button right here. So basically what you need to do now is to wait for your Smiths app to completely update to its latest version. So I'm just going to close this and show you. So as you can see, it's currently being updated right now. So when it's done, you can go back into the app and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.